Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So are you trying to contact a buyer or seller but your message won't go through? If you are seeing message not sending on Facebook Marketplace, the issue is usually related to Messenger, connectivity or temporary restrictions. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix messages not sending on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, why messages aren't sending. So common reasons include weak internet connection, Messenger app glitch, temporary messaging restriction, you were blocked by the other user, or Facebook server delay is happening, or account violation. Okay, so start with basic troubleshooting first. Okay, so first thing first, check your internet connection. So switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Okay, refresh the app or try sending again after that. So stable connection equals successful delivery. Poor signal is the #1 cause. Okay, you can also restart Messenger and Facebook. So close both apps completely, like this, for example. Okay, and then reopen them and try sending the message again. So this clears minor glitches. Force close, don't just minimize. Okay, you can also go to App Store to update the application if it's not updated beforehand. So as you can see, search Facebook and Messenger, tap updates. Outdated apps may fail to send messages. Okay, always run latest versions. Okay, because outdated ones are not working so good as the updated ones. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.